Good morning, everyone. Day 83. It's almost, I guess, about 9 o'clock. Got up at Thomas Knob Shelter this morning. I woke up with a lot of frost, so I got down in the low 30s last night. But we're getting ready to leave here. We're going to try to go about 11 miles and some change to, what's the shelter? I think it's Old Orchard shelter we're going to today. So maybe we'll see some ponies on the way, and we'll share you a milestone when we get to it. So we'll talk to y'all later. All right, here you go, y'all. A pony. See some off back in the trees there. A big old pile there. Oh wow, look at that.
And there's a colt over there, it looks like.
Yeah.
Hey, Mary.
All right, it says we're at mile 500, and we got us a view here. Talk to y'all later.
Hey everybody, this is my marks the 500th mile, just getting into the Grayson Highlands. Super excited about it. It's a beautiful area. Did this last year. I'm gonna twitch the camera around and show you kind of what it looks like a little bit. It's pretty big. It's very popular, and this is where the wild ponies are, and hopefully I'll be able to see them. We got to go up and over some of these mountains, and it turns a little bit more into a bald, and but I got to keep my head up instead of looking down the trail to see any of the ponies. I've seen pony poop, and I've seen pony hoof marks, but no ponies yet. Hopefully they'll come soon.
All right, mile 500.6. We missed a 500 mile mark somewhere, but we've done 500 miles on this trail so far. But we got this view right here, Grayson Highlands. Talk to y'all later. All right, got some more ponies over here. Talk to y'all later. Alright, mile 501, the Fat Man Squeeze. We're getting ready to go through this. I'm gonna have to put my camera away, it's a little rocky. Woohoo! I have to put the camera away again and get into the rocks again. Real rocky spot, I should say. Talk to y'all later. Mile 501.1. Got us a nice view. Talk to y'all later.
Pretty cool, isn't it? You like these? Nice little ponies.
Alright, some more ponies and a colt. Talk to y'all later. Alright,
She knows we're not coming any closer.
some more ponies there. Pony and a colt. Talk to y'all later.
There's people that are walking.
Alright, we come up from that direction right there. And now we're heading that way over there. And there's some ponies right in there. Talk to y'all later. Alright, mile 504.6, got a big Wilson Creek. Got a nice little cascading waterfall here. And a bridge to go across it. Talk to y'all later. Alright, part of our trail here is because it's a swamp area. to y'all later. All right, mile 506.5. Got us a view. No Rush told me that hump back there, sorry, don't focus, but back there is Mount Rogers. Talk to y'all later. Alright y'all, now you can see Mount Rogers there in the background, right over there. Talk to y'all later. Alright, made it to Old Orchard Shelter, and we got company in the area. Got ponies grazing among us here, right next to the shelter. And off in the distance over there, one near us here. There's two over there. Let's see on the other side of the tree up there. One way off in the distance, over there somewhere. But anyhow, we're set up for here tonight. We made it to here, so that's our shelter for tonight. Talk to y'all later. Alright, closing video for today. Made it to Old Orchard Shelter, 11.1 miles today. A little rough climb off and on. Hit the 500 mile mark. Of course, we couldn't find where they had it made up on the ground, so we could take a picture. But I got a video where I was standing at and looking at the mountains, and I said this is a 500 mile mark, so we'll go with that. But good night y'all, and we'll see you in the morning. I'm gonna try to do 13.1 miles tomorrow to I forgot what shelter it is, but I'll let y'all know in the morning. Good night.